Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell about this game called Blockers. We have got to know about this game from one of our friends and we are really enjoying this game. I would like to share the experience with others so that everyone gets to know about this game and have some fun time with the family. So let's get started. This is not a sponsored video, this is from my own experience. Our last video was about unboxing Blockers and we got to see what was inside. So this is the cover. With this we got the following things. This is the instruction manual and with this we have got 4 colors of coins. Maximum number of players would be 4 and we have got a board. Okay, currently we are going to start a game with 2 players, and by the game goes I'll tell about few important instructions which are very simple for this game. Okay, first we'll choose the colors. What color do you want? Blue. Okay, take blue. I'll take yellow. In this game, each player will choose a corner and they will start with 1 coin for each turn. So I choose this coin and I'm going to keep in this corner. I'm choosing this corner for my game. Which corner do you choose for your game? Okay, he's going to start from the other corner. One of the important rules is when you start from the corner, you should not leave it as blank. So you should not keep the coin this way and leave this block blank. We'll keep the coin this way and start the game. Any coin in that case, this corner should not be left blank. So for each turn we are going to place 1 coin, and the next rule is you cannot keep the coin parallel or touching each other. You can only keep the coin from joining from a corner. You can't keep the coin this way or this way. You can only keep the coin in any of the corners, this corner or this corner. This is how it starts. And one more condition is you can't keep the coin without any connection. There should be a connection established between each coin in your game. So it has to go with any of the corners and you can start the game. Here we come to one more rule of the game. Whatever rule I mentioned for the yellow corner connection, that is you have to place the coins with the corners, touching only the corners. This rule doesn't apply for other colors. When it comes to a different color, you can touch the other coin anyways. I think by now you would have understood. I'm trying to block the other players' opportunities for placing the next coins. The main aim of the game is to complete your coins or to have least number of coins and making sure your opponent has many coins. So this game comes to an end for the player having the blue coins because there is no more opportunity to grow further outside. So here they tell about who wins the game. If you consider red has 2 coins left and the total number of blocks is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 squares left in red color and it is only 7 squares left in green color. So if green and red plays the game, and if there is only 7 squares left in green, then green would be the winner. This is how it goes. So if there is only 2 players going to play the game, what they tell us to take 2 colors for each player, so that there will be more chances and more opportunities for thinking and playing the game.